And here are a few of the details, a few more details of the self-steering Mizzen assembly. I'm going to pivot this around so you can see it a little bit better. So we've got just a cleat here mounted on a piece of wood fastened with hose clamps. Then we've got the perpendicular crossbar just made with a 1x2 piece of lumber. It's got a ball bearing block on each end that the sheets run through. Normally it would not be going around the mast like this. You want a direct run from here across to the opposite block. But this is just to show you how it's set up. Even though I have wing nuts on here, that's mostly for transportation. Generally, I just leave the crossbar clamped on tightly onto the mast, and simply use the key here in one of these 8 slots to hit the right orientation such that this bar is perpendicular to the wind. Why don't you back up just about 3 steps there, and we can take a look at the sail. I'll go ahead and drop the sail here. And it just quickly falls into lazy jacks, and you don't need to worry about it anymore. It's out of the way. Raising it is quick and easy. And trying to think of what else. Oh, at the mast itself is a piece of 2-inch outside diameter aluminum pipe with 1/8-inch wall thickness. Fits neatly inside a piece of 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. We've also used a piece of PVC pipe and a PVC cap at the top with a stainless bolt at the top there with a few fender washers. That entire mast cap can pivot around, which is handy because the idea is that the sail itself is pivoting around the mast. You want as little friction on that sail as possible. In other words, it has to be able to weathercock very freely. And so with an arrangement like this, it's something very close to a 0 friction bearing, that is, of the sail on the mast, and that's what you're looking for. Very little friction anywhere in the setup between the ball bearing blocks, the fact that the sail can pivot uninhibited, and that the boat is very light on the tiller. It's important that the boat be able to be set up for balance under sail. You don't want much in the way of weather helm or lee helm. Once you get your sail combination, in accordance with whatever the wind is doing, and your course all set up to where it's almost neutral on the helm, maybe a little bit of weather helm, but not much, then you're ready to engage the system, and off you go under self-steering. Okay, thanks.